So I saw a video of a ibuypower case at CES with an LCD panel. So I took my own NZXT case here and decided to try my hand at this. So I basically went ahead and got an AOC USB monitor, stripped it down to just the LCD panel and the drivers, and then stuck it inside the case and just stuck a little rain meter overlay on top of it just to see if it was possible. The AOC USB monitor is like $80–90 if you can find the cheap version of that one. So it's fairly decent here. So I went ahead and took it a step further and made my own custom side panel, which essentially just was me taking a plexi sheet and sticking on the side after I've cut a bigger hole for this new monitor here. So it's fairly clean. I'm using the NZXT system temperature readout system there. It's fairly clean interface there, and because you can make it black and white, it's rather easy and visible, even on top of all the dark components. So with that said, I am going through and actually painting components white, as you can see right there, just to make things a little bit more visible. And so, speaking of visibility, trying to look through this thing is like trying to look through a limo tinted window there because of how dark the LCD screen is. But you can see I've got I've got 8 LED strips inside here, 2 on the door, and then 6 more inside the case itself, just to make sure it's bright enough to actually be able to even see through it. And I've got the monitor drivers just stuck on the side, and it is a USB monitor, so I've got the cables right out the back here. And so what we're looking at here is that continuing, I do need to paint more components white, like covering up this EVGA logo, so that it's basically a white bar instead of a black bar there, and covering other little components inside here just to make things brighter and more easily readable on the surface here. But yeah, it's a fairly simple and fun project there, and I strongly suggest you try it on your own rather than paying ibuypower to do it for you. So thanks.